Okay, what we got is a bottle filler. This is fills 6 bottles at a time. It's strictly a time. You can set the time. This one's set for 1.58 seconds. This will fill 6 bottles. And what we filled with this was ink. So up here is the pump, and then the line here goes down into the bucket or the pail. Back here in the back is where the air goes, and that's all regulated. So I'm going to try to demonstrate this here, how it fills. This thing here had a red button, and it was it's kind of like air pressure, and that activated the unit. Well, this thing got used very little. I filled maybe 20,000 bottles, and then it would set for maybe a year and a half, maybe 2 years before I would ever use it again. So that ball thing kind of dry rotted and got a hole in it. So I just bypassed that. So that's the only thing about this thing that doesn't have what it used to, which is no big deal. So we're going to take these here trays of bottles. There's 6 bottles in a row, about 50 some, and I'll try this one-handed. And we'll put this down right down in there. Okay. So, and then we're going to turn the pump on. It'll be loud. And then we'll hit the, up here we're going to hit the start button. Quick. It's a lot faster when you got 2 hands on here. And you can see up here when you do it, it counts down. There you go, just filled 52 bottles. That's a little slow just because I was doing it one-handed. But as you can see, they're all filled the same. Also, on this, on these fillers, there's these knobs here. Those are fine-tuned, each one, so you can adjust each individual bottle. So, but that is the bottle filler, and you definitely need trays. I made these up myself to hold the bottles in place. So, and that is very simple, very easy, and you can program that, set that for any time, for any size of bottle. So you can fill something around 5,000 bottles in 45 minutes, something like that. It's pretty fast. And I used very little, but when I did, I filled maybe 20,000, and I was done with it for quite some time. So the only thing that's not on there, like I said, is that little red ball to turn it on and off. You can order that through the company. I think it was about $40. Again, I was filling this with ink, so if you're putting anything else through the system, you may possibly want to see about a new pump then. I'm not sure how the pump, I'm not sure how the materials run through the pump and stuff, but what I ran through it was ink. So that's it for the bottle filler.